solar powered magic fountain. Fast fountain. Instantly add a fountain anywhere there's water. No batteries, no wires, no plumbing. Sunny days, cloud shades not recommended. Has like a little motor here. Actually, can hear something already. There you go. $20. It actually does the work. It says it does. Look at that. Now it's hitting a shadow right at this point. Look at that. It's struggling because of the shadow. But it does do its job. These are little solar panels, by the way, or some sort of energy catcher. Cause look, there you go. I'll probably buy like 2 more, throw them around the pool. Pretty cool little device, I say. So there you go. Bought it at Walmart, $20.